Create a new design with the photo or image you want to use. Add a text box. And type your text. Pick a font. Make the text white. Resize the text. And place it in the center. Go to Share. Download. File type, JPG. Make the text color black. Go to Elements. Shapes. And add a square. Cover the entire design with this shape. Make the shape white. Send the shape backward to place it behind the text. Go to Apps. And search for the Shape Cutout app. Export design. Export. Select all the letters. Add to design. Go to Position. Layers. Delete the text layer and the shape layer. Place the layer with the text in the correct position. Add the other file from your downloads. Cover the entire design with this image. Crop this image to reveal the other one. And that's how you create this text effect.